Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the chart of gold in front of us. And as you can see that after the market opening, gold is continuing the downside. The selling pressure is still present. Last week was crazy. We all witnessed volatility that we have never seen before. Okay, I have been trading for 13 years, and in my 13 years journey, okay, I have never seen such change in volatility, change in characteristic. Gold dropped from 5600, and each and every candle was of hundreds of pips. Okay, we all were nervous, we all panicked, but okay, still the situation is not normal. If we look at the market sentiment, gold plunges after biggest drop in a decade as rally unwinds. Gold falls as market further price in wars-led Fed. Gold extends decline after the historic drop. So we can see that the selling pressure on the market is still there. In our previous video from Saturday, we discussed that on Monday we should mostly observe gold. Today is not the right day to trade. In fact, in the morning, I have already wrote a long message in a free Telegram community as well that survival is more important. So today is the day where you should not be trading, rather you should mostly focus on the behavior of gold now. Because right now, whatever is going on the market, okay, is not healthy, okay, it's not normal. So as a result, we should mostly observe the market because gold is at a very crucial level right now. Let me show you. Okay, let me take you to the daily chart. Okay, remember there was a time when we believed that gold would not be filling the gaps, but gold proved us wrong. Okay, market came for gap filling. Okay, market really came for gap filling, and you can see after filling the gap, okay, gold is trying to take support here. If you're confused, let me show the hourly chart. Remember when gold formed this gap, okay, we all laughed. I was laughing that gold is no longer respecting the rules of the market. Gold, okay, may not fill the gap here, but yes, gold proved us wrong. Gold filled the gap, and now gold is trying to take support, which is a very important thing here. Okay. So this is the daily chart here. You can see after filling the gap here, gold is trying to take support, and the level is 4600. So this 4600, okay, is going to play a major role. But still, we should also focus that 4500 is also near. So I think if market breaks 4500, then the selling pressure, the bearishness may continue on gold. Okay, and the next target on gold will be around 4000 to 4200. So 4600 is acting as a crucial level right now because after filling the gap, we can see market is trying to take support. Logic were not working, but finally we can see that some logic is working. The price action is working here because here you can see the previous resistance is working as support. Let me zoom in, it will be better for you guys. See, I have zoomed in now. You can see the previous resistance is working. Finally, some logic is working on gold right now. So today is an important day. Again, I'm repeating, if market breaks 4500, then the selling pressure will continue. If you want to sit on a sell position, yes, you can sit on a sell position with high stop loss, big stop loss. But if market somehow takes support, okay, then it will be very important for us, because if market somehow manages to take support, then we will see a sideways market. That's why I also wrote in the morning and also requested all of you that today it's better and safer for us to observe the market, because we are traders, we are not gamblers. Okay, it is you are a trader, that doesn't mean that you need to be in position all the time, you need to trade, no, it in each and every session. No, there's nothing like that. Observe the market, Okay, if market somehow takes support, then maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next 2 3 days, okay, market will be sideways or market maybe market choppy. Okay, see, I'm not saying that tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will get very good opportunities, but as a trader, you need to know when to trade, when not to trade. But yes, if market takes support around 4500, 4600, okay, one thing is sure, that okay, market will be sideways and our trading style will change again, because we need to be flexible. Okay, we need to understand the changes in the market and adapt accordingly. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, and as I have already wrote in the Telegram community also, that today is the goal observation day. Yeah, today is the goal observation day. God. Okay, today is a goal observation day. So let's observe goal. And if anything crazy happens, you'll get an update in the free Telegram community. Feel free to join if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community. And if you're part of our premium Momentum Masters group, then obviously you'll get an update. But as of now, let's wait and watch how does the gold move. And as I have already said it on Saturday also, today also at the beginning of the video, that today is not a right day to trade. But still, if you see the market is going below 4600, 4500 with heavy selling pressure, anything is possible on gold, isn't it? If that happens, yes, you can look for a sell position, but keep in mind, do not go for big lot sizes, because right now the stop losses increase because of high volatility. Your minimum stop loss should be 1000 pips or $100. So if you are going for a bigger stop loss, then obviously you need to reduce the lot size, otherwise your capital will be boom in just few seconds. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Nothing more to discuss right now. Let's see, okay, what market does today. Okay, tomorrow, okay, hopefully we will have a better picture. Okay, and if gold continues a sell position, and if you're already sitting on a sell, then you can continue with the sell position, because earlier sky was the limit, remember? Okay, now, okay, maybe gold is going to hell. Okay. And before I go, okay, I would like to show you guys one last thing. Okay, why I was talking about there is a possibility of market going sideways, the downside may not continue. Okay, because we have a good number of contracts. See, we have a good number of contracts standing at 4500. Okay, and there is an addition of contracts, not reduction. Okay, so there is an addition of more than 800 contracts at 4500. So there is a possibility the market may try to take support, and already we can see that gold is sideways. And right now, the market is so volatile that okay, we have a range of 4600 to 4500. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, if sudden selling pressure comes during the US session, then obviously okay, nothing is going to work and the selling pressure will continue. Let's wait and watch. Do not gamble.